Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward business, beauty, health, and empowerment. And today we have a business video. We're going to be talking about why your business isn't growing. So if you have a business or you plan on starting a business and you just need some business tips, keep watching. But before we jump into this video, I do want y'all to go subscribe to my mom and my aunt's YouTube channel. They created a YouTube channel for women over 50. So if you're over 50 or you know somebody who is over 50, make sure y'all go check that out, and their information is going to be in the description box below. Also, go follow my businesses on Instagram at Glow with Throw Fitness and at Hair by Romani. Everything about my businesses will be in the description box as well, including my website, contact info, and all of that. But yes, let's jump into this video. So number one, the first reason why your business may not be growing is because you don't have a business plan. And I know when people think of business plans, they think of, you know, some long drawn out paperwork and it's going to be super hard, but it doesn't have to be that. My business plan is set up into long-term goals and short-term goals, and then like this year type of goals. So long-term goals will be, what do you see your business doing in 5 years or 10 years? And that can be, you know, we want to make $1 million. We want to be helping women find clothes. We want to, like, it can literally be anything for the long-term goals. And then short-term goals are ways that you are going to accomplish your long-term goals. Let's say one of my long-term goals would be to make $1 million. Okay, so my short-term goals would be, okay, I need to sell this many products. I need to, you know, sell this many webinars, something like that. So short-term goals are always going to be attached to long-term goals, and they're going to tell you how you accomplish those long-term goals. And then I have my this year goals. So when I say my this year goals, it's like I do January, February, March, April. I just write down all the months of the year, and then I write down exactly what I'm going to do in those months. So I actually made a tweet about this. It was like, let's say one of your long-term goals is to lose weight. Okay, January, I'm gonna start working out every day. February, I'm gonna stop eating fast food. March, I'm gonna start drinking a gallon of water every day. So something like that. So make sure you have a business plan so you can know where your business is going. Because if you don't have a business plan, like I said, that can be one reason why your business is not growing. Number two, you're not promoting yourself. So you can have the best product or service that there is in the world, but if people don't know about it, then it's all for nothing. So you want to make sure you're always promoting yourself. You want to make sure you're always telling people about your business, telling people what you do and how you could be of service to them and how you could be an asset to them, because that's what people want to know. They want to know, how can you help me? What can you do for me? So anybody that you talk to, you need to be promoting yourself, because it is like 8 billion people on the world. Until they all know about your business, you always need to promote yourself. Until everybody on this planet has heard about what you do, what you offer, what you sell, you need to be telling people about your business, because that's how businesses grow. You tell somebody and they purchase something from you, they enjoy the experience or the product, and they go tell somebody else, and it just spreads, you know, through word of mouth. But you have to be the first person to spread it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're the only one who is going to really go hard for your business or your product or your service. So you have to get the word out by promoting yourself and by telling people what you do. Number three, you're not marketing correctly. So you have incorrect marketing strategies. You don't have a target audience. You don't know who you're selling to. You know what I'm saying? So when you're doing marketing, don't just put the product out there. You need to figure out who you're selling to, what they like, and you know what they like to see and what makes them buy things. So if you're selling to single mothers, you need to survey single mothers. Like, what would be the best way for me to catch your attention if I were to make an ad about such and such? So you need to figure out who you're marketing to, who you're selling to, and then ask them, okay, like, what do you like? Because you don't just want to be promoting something that they don't like, that they don't resonate with. Like, I always see like different commercials kind of targeted at millennials, but it be stuff that we're not interested in, or like that's not the way that you should really reach us. And so I don't know how to explain it. Just make sure you know exactly who you're selling to and why you're selling to them, and you know how you can help them. Always let them know how you can be of service to them, but you won't know that unless you ask them. So when doing marketing, always ask your target audience or the people that you're selling to what they like, so you can make sure that you are giving them exactly what they want. Number 4, you don't have any direct contact information. So let's say you're promoting yourself, okay, and people are telling people word of mouth, but how do they reach you? Do you have a phone number? Do you have an email? Do you have a website? Do you have an Instagram? How can people reach you? If people cannot reach you, or they don't even know how to reach you, your business is not going to grow, because they can't even communicate with you to let you know what they need. So it can be, people can reach you, you know, anyway. I'm not saying, you know, only have a phone number, only have an email, but we need to know how to reach you. Like, that needs to be everywhere. So when you're promoting yourself, be like, okay, DM me on Instagram. Okay, call me at this number. Okay, email me. You need to tell people how they can contact you so your business can go further, so you can continue to sell yourself to these customers. Because, like, let's say I go on a website, but I do have a question and I want to email somebody. I want to email, you know, I want to email the business, but I don't see an email. So I'm like, okay, maybe they have a phone number. I don't see a phone number. I'm like, okay, maybe they have an Instagram. I don't see an Instagram. At that point, I'm off of your website, because now I can't contact you to let you know that I have a question. So now I'm off your website, and now your business didn't grow. You didn't get that customer. You didn't make that sale because they didn't know how to reach you. So that needs to be everywhere. That needs to be on your social media pages. That needs to be on your website. You need to be telling people how to contact you. It needs to be everywhere. How do I get in touch with you if I have a question? And it might even look repetitive or like kind of redundant if you have it on each page of your website, but I have it on every page of my website, because you never know. People may not see it on the home page. They might see it, you know, on the shop page, like, oh, email me if you have questions. But put it on everything. It's everywhere. Like, I literally have my contact everywhere. I'm like, email me, email me, email me. It's everywhere. So if you want your business to grow, you need to have direct contact information, and you need to let people know how they can contact you. Number 5, you don't have good customer service. Good customer service is going to take you so far, even if you don't have the best product or the best service. If people know that you're nice and you're a personable human being, they're going to come back to you, and they're going to tell people about this wonderful experience that they had. So that is definitely a way that you want to grow your business. Like, I know for my personal training business, Glow with Row Fitness, I try to make sure I have amazing customer service. I am up all the time answering DMs, trying to answer comments, trying to make sure I'm texting my clients back. Like, you need to have amazing customer service. And if you feel like maybe you're not in the mood to have amazing customer service, then don't say anything at all. But you don't want to give a half-ass response. Like, you want to make sure that you're giving your all. So if you're not in a position to give your all, maybe wait to answer the message. You know what I'm saying? But when you do answer messages from your clients or customers, it needs to be stellar customer service. Like, it needs to be top-notch, because that is what's going to make people come back to you. People don't buy products. People buy people. If people like you, then they're going to come back, but you have to give them a reason to like you. Number 6, you are not using social media to your advantage. Now, we are in a technology-based society now. Everything is on the phone, everything is on the laptop, everything is on the iPad. So you need to be keeping up with that. And that was actually, I'm looking over here at my notes, that was actually number 7. So number 6 and number 7 are kind of similar. So number 7 was you're not keeping up with like the trends, and number 6 was you're not using social media to your advantage. So if you see that that reels on Instagram are popular, then your business needs to be doing reels. If you see that IGTV videos is what's getting people's attention on Instagram, you need to be doing IGTV videos. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't just keep doing what you're used to. You have to kind of get used to where the world is headed. There are so many businesses that failed because they didn't want to, you know, get on Instagram. They didn't want to get on Twitter. They didn't want to keep up with the trends, and they failed. So you have to keep up with what everybody else is doing. And I hate to say that because I mean, like, trends change all the time, but you always want to make sure that your customers can see you. So whatever platform they're on, you need to be on. Like, I know that for a long time I was like, oh, I don't want to get on TikTok, but I'm seeing everybody else in the fitness industry on TikTok. So I finally decided to make a TikTok for Glow It Raw Fitness because I need to reach people that way as well. And I'm not saying that you have to be on every social media platform, because you definitely don't, but you still want to make sure you're on like at least 3 of them. And on those, you want to make sure on the 3 of the social media platforms that you're on, you want to make sure that you are keeping up with what everybody is doing on those platforms. Like what you know is getting people going. Like, there are different memes that go viral. You need to use those memes to your advantage when it comes to your business. Like, just change the words, or, you know, make the picture go with whatever caption you have. Like, just really keep up with the times and keep up with what everybody is doing, because that is how your business is going to grow. Especially if it's like a super popular trend, people see it on your page, you're like, oh, like, let me follow, let me like, let me comment, let me share, let me tell somebody. So make sure you're using social media to your advantage and keeping up with the times. And another way to just use social media to your advantage is to show the highlights of your company and your business. Like, I know with Glow It Raw Fitness, I'm always on my Insta story just showing my clients behind the scenes. I'm showing DMs, I'm showing text messages, and I'm just showing people, like, you know, people do like my business. This is why, you know, you should come join my business, because I'm getting, you know, text messages about how people are losing, you know, 50 pounds. You could be losing 50 pounds. So you want to make sure that you are just showing, you know, the highlights of your business. What are your clients saying to you, you know, after their service? What are your customers saying after they receive that product? So you want to show people enjoy your business. People love the experience that they have with your business. So yeah, that is how you can use social media to your advantage. I think I have everything. I think I covered everything, but if you have any more tips, please drop them in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at XO_Romani. And don't forget to follow my businesses on Instagram at Hair by Romani and at Glow It Raw Fitness. And everything else that you guys need will be in the description box. And I will see you guys next time.